Hey guys, what's good? What's poppin'? I'm back with another video. So my aunt told me that I should do a makeup tutorial and I think I'm gonna do it. So yeah, mind you, I've never done this before. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? And I'm really feeling my hair right now. I literally I'll be back. I'm gonna show y'all. So literally all I used with Wiz was Curly Sexy Hair Light Control Curling Cream, and it's with algae? I don't know. And yeah, so basically I have put this in my hair, and I've also used the Moroccan Curling Perfection Defining Cream. That's a lot to say. But I put this in my hair. I also put this in my hair after I get out the shower, and I just let it air dry. I also part it so that it doesn't air dry all funky and whatever. But I just let it air dry, and this is how it comes out. Usually I don't need these products, but I just put them in just to help. Honestly, like if my hair just dries on its own, it will get somewhat like this, but it does die down after a while. But yeah, I just help this to get the process started. Okay, so let's just get right into the video. That was like 3 minutes I've already recorded, wasting my life and wasting my breath on something that I'm not even trying to focus on trying to record this video. Anyways, I filled in my eyebrows like off camera only because. So I'm gonna start with this primer. This Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer. It says under eye primer, but we're putting it on top of our lids. Who cares? Does all the same stuff, right? We're priming. So yeah, I'm not gonna do a voiceover or anything like that because I'm not cool enough, you know what I'm saying? I'm not awesome like that. So yeah, and yes, I have veins on my eyelids. I have veins everywhere that you can see. Here, on my chest, everywhere. I'm sorry, it's inevitable to get rid of those veins, but yeah. So we're gonna do that. Just bear with me. Everything is probably gonna look so ugly at first, but I promise you, just blend and it'll look good. I promise. I look like a crazy because I have like frizzy hair right now. Okay, anyways, so I don't know, should I do a blue look or a green look? I think I'm not gonna do green. I don't know. I'm wasting time. I think I'm gonna go with yellow only because it's in here and there's a color in here that I kind of want to put on my face right now, but I don't know how that's gonna turn out. Hopefully this, yeah. So I'm gonna just take this, put it like all over my shits. Sorry if I swear.
I want you to reverse. I want you to reverse slow.
Okay, that's enough of this palette for now, even though I wanted to try other colors. Whatever. Okay, so yeah, this has. Now I'm going to take the color French Kiss. I'll take it and do the same thing again. I think this is okay. I'm gonna use, I think, okay, I'm just gonna use this color. It's either GNO or Louis. So I know I said yellow, but we're gonna make this like fiery orange.
Our bodies rising up the meter. I give you chills and fevers. I explore you every centimeter. I want you to reverse. I want you to reverse slow. Let's see you put in work. Make sure that we take it slow.
Then, my friends. Oh yeah, I don't know the name of this brush. I'm sorry. I stole it from my sister. Then we are going to take this brush again and we are gonna use the yellow to go back onto like almost kind of like the brow bone and, you know, blending it, because that's gonna be our transitioning color, I guess, for today. Also, I do want to blend out that orange a bit. Blend it together with the yellow because I don't want there to be any harsh line. So far, this is what's happening with my life. Well, with my eyeballs, really. I'm pretty satisfied with what's coming out. I don't really know. I kind of like it, low key. Like I hate this mirror because like it's so close to my face. Okay, we're gonna take it a step further. Nope. Oh, I'm gonna see if there's a color in here that I can use for the outer corners, just to like, you know what I'm saying? I think we're gonna go in with this one, and I think it's called Hunts. So we're gonna go in with Hunts. I'm just gonna take a little bit on this Essential Crease brush by Real Techniques. Crease brush, I'm pretty sure it's not either. It's too soft, to be honest, but I don't know. But I'm gonna use this to blend only because my other blending one has a lot of green on it. So
push that button. Push that button. Rewind. Push that button. Push that button.
obviously, I'm not right questions that at all. So we're gonna take more of the yellow again, and you know, work our magic. Because I feel like it's fading out a lot. I'm pretty sure it is. So. I like it. I don't care what y'all say. I like it. It looks a lot better in person, obviously, because camera quality is boo-boo. But yeah, I like it. Like, I would wear this out, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna go with Chauffeur. I'm gonna be right back. I'm going to get a makeup wipe and the Mario Badescu spray. Just gonna clean up whatever's under my eye. I know it doesn't look like anything's under there, but like,
Push that button. Push that button.
so we are going to take this hole right here. I don't know what I just said. I use this for any type of like glitter eyeshadow to apply it, and you know, and then I also use the Mario Badescu spray to like, obviously, let that stuff stick on there.
Press button and go back to those moments when I fell in love with the motion. Touch button, feel your vibe, rub your hips and thighs, and look at you intensely, intensely.
God damn. We're gonna blend. Just so we can, you know.
I want you to reverse. I want you to reverse slow. Let's see what we can learn. Make sure that we take it slow. Push that button. Push that button.
I like to take the glitter color and put it down here. Not all the way like across. Oh shoot. All the way across, but just in the corner of my eye. And a little. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. This shading brush, and I'm gonna just take the orange color and take it down here. And just, yeah. Look in the mirror.
I want you to
I'm going to put this NYX eye and brow. Oh, it's a brow pencil? Wow. I didn't even know. And then I'm going to take this eye and eyebrow pencil and fill my waterline. Fill my waterline. How funny do I sound, guys? I'm going to take my superhero mascara extra or elastic stretch volumizing mascara. I think this was, I don't even know where this came from. My mom gave it to me.
and I don't wanna be a part. Who says we need a heater? Our bodies rising up the meter. I give you chills and fevers. I explore you every cell.
Don't forget your bottom lashes.
I want you to reverse. I want you to reverse slow. Let's see you put in work. Make sure that we take it slow.
Then I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Illuminating Palette, and it's got 4 colors, 4 highlights.
Rewind, rewind, push that button. Rewind, rewind.
Take my Wet n Wild brush. It's not even supposed to be a highlight brush, to be honest. Take this on my brow bone just to, you know. And to take this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Dubai, and then I'm going to use the Lasting Finish 1000 Kisses lip pencil by Romeo London. Okay, so this is the finished look. Yeah, this is what I would wear out if I was going out. You know, I'm not like a makeup artist, and I know this is probably like crappy to somebody else. I don't care though. This is how I do my makeup. This is how I go out in public, and I think it's pretty decent. But thank you again for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, do whatever floats your boat. Yeah, all right, bye.
I want you to reverse. I want you to reverse.